Top 7 Best Laptops for Beginners 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Lenovo Legion 70 2020. The Lenovo Legion 70 may be first and foremost a gaming laptop, but that stunner of an aluminum design and seriously impressive performance make it a boon to creative professionals like graphic designers as well. This will not look out of place in an office, especially if you turn off those blinding RGB lights. Plus, it stays cool under pressure, thanks to its fantastic thermals. The connectivity ports include USB-C 3.1 Gen 1 and USB 3.1 Gen 2, HDMI 2.0, RJ45 Ethernet, and a 3.5mm audio port. This may not be an RTX 3000 series laptop, but you can get an RTX 2080 Super Max Q under the hood that is nothing to joke about. If that's overkill, there are other configurations on hand as well. Number 6. Razer Blade 14. This luxurious thin and light gaming laptop from Razer just oozes class, and it is one of the best graphic design laptops for designers who want a powerful fusion of performance and portability. It is also one of the nicest looking modern gaming laptops we have seen. It is not just for gaming, however. The Razer Blade 14 comes with cutting-edge components as well, including the awesome AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX processor and up to an RTX 3080 graphics card. It's the ticket for all your graphics design demands. This means it is able to see you through the most intensive graphics design processes without breaking a sweat, while keeping things portable and solidly built, so you won't worry about it getting damaged when out in the field. Number 5. Acer Concept T7. For those who think that MacBook Pros are overpriced but still need one of the best laptops for graphic design, there's the Acer Concept T7. Although it's not as light as a MacBook Pro, this formidable laptop's capable of handling complex and demanding tasks, thanks in part to its NVIDIA RTX graphics, and was designed specifically with creative professionals in mind. Beyond that sheer power it delivers, it also offers decent port selection, a minimalist solid white design, and that stunning Pantone-validated 4K IPS display. The connectivity ports include 1x USB-C, 3x USB 3.1 Type-A, 1x HDMI, a headset jack, and an Ethernet port. It's not a budget choice, but if you're looking for a Windows-powered MacBook alternative for creative endeavors, it's certainly among the best laptops for graphics designers. Number 4. Dell XPS 15 2021. The Dell XPS 15 2021 keeps everything that's made this mid-size flagship model special, but with some updated internals. While the XPS 15 doesn't reinvent the wheel, it makes a great laptop for designers. With up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti, you should be able to handle most image and video editing without breaking a sweat. It can even handle some gaming, though it is admittedly a bit underpowered compared to some of the competition and will run hot during extended gaming sessions. But with that beautiful screen and the fantastic battery life that the XPS 15s have always come with, you will forget about any shortcomings of this computer. And considering its beautiful design, it's no wonder that the XPS 15 models consistently rank among the best Dell laptops out there. Number 3. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga Gen 6. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga Gen 6 might be pricey, but it's well worth the cost. Not only do you get a fantastic screen with a wider 16:10 aspect ratio, but excellent performance thanks to the latest generation Intel processors, Intel Z graphics, and Evo certification. It will also last quite a while on a single charge if you need to work on the road or in the field. Its design is not the most awe-inspiring, and an SD card slot would have been appreciated, but the X1 is an otherwise stellar machine for graphic designers. The connectivity options on this device aren't lacking. There are 2 USB Type-A ports in addition to the 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C-S, as well as an HDMI 2.0. Number 2. Gigabyte Aero 17 2021. One of the most powerful mobile workstations out there. The Gigabyte Aero 17 2021 comes with a lot of power, a gorgeous display, and plenty of ports. Best yet, it's priced well below its less powerful rivals, making it a better proposition even if you have a more flexible budget. it isn't by any means perfect. The battery life is around 4 to 6 hours and could use a bit of a boost. If you're doing creative, resource-intensive work, you're going to need to plug this laptop in within a few hours. You'll also want to avoid doing intensive work with the laptop while it's sitting on your lap. Rendering 3D scenes or playing games on it makes it run very hot on the underside. But for how much you're paying and for the other things you're getting in return, it feels like a fair trade. Number 1. Dell XPS 17 2021. The Dell XPS 17 2021 is a laptop with the kind of power to handle just about any graphic design work, with specs of up to an Intel Core and an eCPU, 64 GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA RTX GeForce 3060 means you can even tackle some 4K video editing, especially if you upgrade to a UHD display. The dedicated NVIDIA GPU ensures a smooth gaming experience even for demanding games. In our testing, the laptop averaged around 52 FPS in Metro Exodus at 1008 IP with everything set to Ultra. Somehow, all this performance fits in a 0.77-inch thick machine for a surprisingly portable workstation. While the XPS 17 does come at a premium and could come with a few more ports, overall it's a great laptop for designers on the go. So guys, that's all for Top 7 Best Laptops for Beginners 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.